Yo, welcome to another episode of Living Lucky Off Grid. Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful, fantastical freaking day. Hope you're smiling. Remember, stay positive. Look forward to the sky. Chest high, shoulders up. We're gonna kick this world's ass. That's right. Anyways, but welcome to another episode. Today, we're cleaning up a whole bunch of trees. And we're gonna start the cleaning process so that way afterwards we can start doing foundation. But it's a process, so we gotta clean up. So yeah, we've decided we're gonna put our house there. And we have a lot of trees to clean up. We're gonna create a burn pile and get it all cleaned up. So we're not gonna do a whole lot of talking. Okay, so we got so much cleaning up to do. So we're gonna get right to it, and we're gonna get this cleaned up. Try to make it look halfway decent. Everybody, let's go. Come on, vamonos.
It's the time to clean up. Well, let's go.
what, when you don't come out here very often and do manual labor and stuff like this, Either I'm old, fat, or a combo of both. But we run out of breath, guys. But it's okay. We're getting it done. It's starting to look good. We got a lot of the trees, a lot of the big limbs picked up. We got a good burn pile. I'm gonna get some burning going on there. And I got kind of like simple measurements of where I'm gonna put everything now, and so that way I can avoid these bigger stumps. So it's gonna look good. I think it's gonna be all right. We just got it's a lot of work to be done out here. We got a lot of cleaning up to do. Would love a skid steer or something like that to make it easier to pick up, but I don't have access to that or the funds to do it either way. So we got to do it the old-fashioned way with these freaking manos. So we're gonna get to it. Ain't nothing gonna stop us, man. We're gonna get out here. We're gonna clean it up. We'll take a rake and a shovel and a wheelbarrow and a burn pile. We'll clear the mess out of this John. So we're gonna try to get a little more work done. Get some more wood in the pile, make it look a little nice. But look how good that. See, so we got like a good little line going. Cheryl, very nice. Let's get back to the work, man. All right, so I think we're done cleaning for the day. I know it's getting a little late. I need to get back home, but we got a good bit cleaned up. Let me know what you guys think. You think it's clean? Well, it's not clean all the way, but it's definitely way flatter. And there's our burn pile. We got some Earl, and we're about to get it going. Let's go. Hell yeah, we got the burn pile going. Let's go, baby. Your first burn pile of mini. It's gonna take so many of these piles for us to clear out, but that's okay. We're gonna start with the first section. We'll try to get some the house built, and then every time we go to a next section, we'll have to clean it, make a burn pile, and so on and so on and so on. Because, bro, we got a lot of property here, bro. And this is just one side. We got the whole other side over there somewhere. Yeah, that way. So, yeah. All right, so guys, I think we're going to end it here on this episode for today. So please make sure you go check out these other episodes, my friend. And my name's Lucky, as always. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next episode. Let's go.